welcome to this show. How we can overcome this catastrophe?
You know, government has its duty, its responsibility, and government will have to do everything, whatever is possible. But this is rebuilding Wayanad requires massive effort, where participation of the society, in my opinion, is absolutely essential. And I would like to compliment Asianet for taking this initiative to mobilize public support and in Kerala, mobilizing public support is not very difficult. People of Kerala, they have this sensitivity. They have this quality of compassion and empathy, which was displayed in adequate measure in 2018 and 2019 at the time of the floods. So this is a very good initiative. I compliment you, and I also say to you that if I can be of any assistance in this initiative, I will be very happy to associate with Asianet.